Very good evening, everyone. I'm Manmeet Kaur from Dhanu Mitra News Network, and today we are here to celebrate the end of the year at Shiv Panipuri. So, today we are celebrating the last day of this year at the border of Gujarat and Maharashtra. So, let's just begin with the new year and see what's going on inside. Okay, so we can see here the board of 2026. Welcome 2026. And let's just see what's going on inside. I can see multiple groups are there and they're enjoying and playing the games. You can see them behind.
Thank you.
करने का बोल रहे आईडी बना के दो।
तो आप किससे मेहनत क्यों है ये?
हाँ?
नैना मैं उठना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, भागना भी चाहता हूँ। क्या बात है? पहला पॉइंट भी जाता है। DJ please play the song.
So now here we can see multiple cutouts of the famous roles, and I guess the theme is Bollywood theme, and it seems to be very pretty right now. Gives me a lot of excitement as well. So I have one of the girl who's visiting here and enjoying her 31st today. So let's just ask her, how is it?
Yeah, hi. So basically, I'm from Bangalore. So I came here just to spend my vacation. So I just stopped by this unexpected place, which I didn't know before. So it turned out to be a really good experience for me. The food was really good. So especially the pasta and noodles are really good. And the most special thing about this place is it's totally non-alcoholic. So like any family can come here and enjoy their New Year with their kids and family. So it's a very good place, and I highly recommend this place to everyone. And what else? If you see, there is DJ night and everything. So our night has already become special. So thank you everyone, like for such a special arrangement for everyone.
So she seems to be very much happy with this place, and the food she told us that it's delicious. Right?
Yeah, of course. It's so delicious, and it's completely for vegetarian people, and it's non-alcoholic. So I would highly recommend for all the families who cares about safety for the children and all, they can come here and enjoy the night. Yeah.
So it's completely non-alcoholic and with delicious food, and it's for the family. So each and everybody can join us over here at this Shiv Panipuri, which is at the border of Maharashtra and Gujarat.
So thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you, Jyoti.
Yes.
So she's Jyoti and she's enjoying over here completely and helping us to enjoy as well.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Happy New Year.
भाई लोगों लूट लो चांस
here. How's her experience over here right now?
इनका हर स्वाद है निराला
હું અહીંયા 2-3 વર્ષથી આવી રહી છું અને હર ટાઈમ મને એન્જોયમેન્ટ અહીંયા બહુ ભરપૂર મળે છે. આ વખતે બી સારું થીમ ને બધું રાખ્યું છે, ગેમ્સ રમાડે છે, ખાવાનું પણ સારું છે, અરેન્જમેન્ટ ને બધું સારું જ રાખ્યું છે. હર વખતે આ લોકોનું સારું જ હોય છે, તો હું હર વખતે એન્જોયમેન્ટ કરું છું. મારા ફેમિલી એન્ડ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ બધા સાથે હું કેટલાય ટાઈમથી આવું છું અને એન્જોય કરું છું. થેન્ક યુ.
બહુ મસ્ત છે, મજા આવે.
So basically, it's a very good experience to be here at Shiv Pani Puri, and I've heard like there are multiple theme parties over here, right? They throw multiple theme parties.
Yes, yes, always.
ગુરુદ્વારા આવો.
Always. So I heard that it's Valentine's as well,
Okay.
Holi ka theme party as well. They celebrate multiple theme parties. As in the festival, it depends on the festival, right?
પ્લીઝ ગાના બજાવો.
હા, હર વખતે ફેસ્ટિવલ પર ડિપેન્ડ હોય છે. હોળીનો તો હોય છે, હોળી પણ હોય છે ને આ વખતે પણ અલગ અલગ ને બધું સારું રાખ્યું છે એ લોકોએ.
So thank you so much.
Everyone,
So here we
જેટલા
have
આવી
the
શકે please
owner
આવી
of
જાઓ.
this beautiful
એકદમ
place
simple
and the
thing છે.
organizer. We have
આપણે
Jinesh Rawal.
Jinesh Rawal and
રીટા રાવલ.
આપણે એકદમ
Dinesh
simple
Rawal
thing
and
રમવાનું
Rita
છે.
Rawal. So let's just ask him ki
Listen.
what's the reason behind
यहाँ
celebrating
से
such a
डीजे वाले
great
भैया
event
गाना
right now?
बजाएंगे.
We want to
जैसे ही
celebrate. We
मैं
want to
stop
celebrate
बोलूंगा, वो
the
जैसे ही
event
stop
with the
करते हैं,
family, and we
आपको
don't
freeze हो
want
जाना
any interruption in between. So
You
we
have to
have
freeze.
not kept any
अगर नाचते रहे
alcohol.
तो
We have
problem.
not kept any.
Drop out हो जाओगे,
So
ठीक है?
no nuisance.
एक बड़ा
You
सा
can enjoy
circle
with
बना लो,
your family.
please. सभी को आगे
with
दो.
your friends and
एक
family.
मोटू circle.
So it is safest place around. to
बच्चे बच्चे अपने
celebrate.
वेरिएशन नहीं लाओ. So don't
Definitely, it
worry.
seems to be the safest place around, and I've heard
मतलब
that it's
डरने के
completely
मत- मत-
non-alcoholic.
Yes, it is.
हाँ,
So it's completely family.
चलो.
Yes.
तेरी
We
रियल
want,
रोज़ी नहीं
we
खेलना.
like,
अपनी
we
पकड़
want
तो चलेगा
family
ऐसे.
crowd only. We don't
मेरा
want
requirement
any
नहीं है.
notorious crowd who
आपको
can
पकड़ना है
come
तो
and
आपकी
interrupt
इच्छा.
the event. We want flawless event, and we
Okay,
want
डीजे
family
वाले
to
भाई थोड़ा
have
सेटअप
fun
कर रहे हैं.
with the
तब तक
with
सबको
the
गेम
family
पता है ना
members.
क्या करना है, समझा ना?
Definitely, this seems to
DJ
be a
वाले भाई
flawless
गाना
event
बजाएंगे.
as well.
सबको
And
dance
each and
करना.
everybody
सब
I've
ऐसे.
seen here that
गरबा करते
all
हैं
of them
वैसे.
are enjoying right now.
जैसे ही
And
उन्होंने
it's completely
मैंने freeze
safe
बोला,
and
वो गाना
a
बंद
very
करेंगे.
happier place
बंद किया
with
तब आप जिस
positive
पोज में थे
vibes.
उसी पोज में रहना चाहिए.
Thank you very much for that.
अगर आपने डांस
Thank you,
कर दिया
sir.
तो कुर्सी और यहाँ रील बना सकते हो. I will give you if you want. जल्दी जल्दी आ जाओ.
So it was great ending my year at Shiv Pani Puri, which is at the border of Maharashtra and Gujarat. It was such a great evening over here with a special. It made my day. The last year of this 2025, it made it very special and very cool, maybe. So I would like to suggest you that you can visit over here, which is at the border of Maharashtra and Gujarat. The name is Shiv Pani Puri. So I would like to thank you all and wish you a very happy new year with great success, prosperous new year to you. Happy New Year.